Not so solid that ocean water cannot wither it. For this gift is like no other. It can heal the sick from hurting again. It can make the blind see again. It can make the handicapped walk again. For this gift is like no other. It is stronger than the ocean's currents. It is more fragile than bubbles. It is more brighter than the stars. It is deeper than the solar systems. To our pastor, we give you this. Thank you and God bless you.
This is in line for our pastor's appreciation, and so we give you this gift. Okay, and so we want to come and gentlemen too. Okay. Yes, you could keep it as well as a friend, and we could offer prayer for him.
Okay.
And,
I'm just going to keep this from Zach because he's going to add to this, and he's going to probably write something